Today we're down at a training mission. We're going to fly the Evo 26K Pro. We're going to fly a orbit time lapse, and we're going to model a silo to the right of me. We got FAA permission for the airspace. We're going to stay under 200 feet. So wish me luck, and let's get started. When the flight is over, we'll go back to my office and we'll turn the flight into a 3D model. Everything looks good. The drone is ready. I'm in GPS mode. I got all my satellites. 30 minutes on the battery. So let's get airborne. Looks like the swallows don't like the drone. I didn't think about that. It's swallow season. So we're looking pretty good. But you can see we got a nice good color. The grass is beautiful. We're at 52 pictures of 250. 21 minutes to go. Right now we're up to 114. We've been flying at 7 miles an hour. Our height over the object is 62 feet. Our orbit diameter is 177 feet. We're up to 117 photographs. We have 14 minutes left on the battery. So everything's looking pretty good. So we'll be done in about, I would say, well, we'll be done in 14 minutes because we'll be out of battery. Looking pretty good. Beautiful day to be flying. Okay, we're almost done. We're down to 8 minutes on the battery. We're going to be standing by for a low battery warning to bring her home.